Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials: the device, the Apple ID used for screen time, and any known device passcode. Open Settings and tap Screen Time. This gets you to the control panel where recovery options appear. If you see Change Screen Time Passcode, you can attempt reset immediately. Once done, decide whether to use Apple ID recovery or a full restore. The path depends on whether screen time is tied to your Apple ID and if you can sign in there. Next, choose Change Screen Time Passcode and then tap Forgot Passcode. To trigger Apple ID recovery, you must sign in with the Apple ID that originally enabled screen time. This verifies ownership and allows the system to authorize a reset. If two-factor authentication is enabled, retrieve the verification code from a trusted device or phone number. Once authenticated, the interface lets you enter a new 4-digit screen time passcode. Make it memorable but distinct from your device. Unlock PIN. If Apple ID recovery fails, you'll need a backup and restore approach. Make a current backup, then erase and restore the device using Finder, iTunes, or iCloud. Once the device is restored, sign into your Apple ID and set a new screen time passcode before restoring other settings if prompted. This ensures screen time is reset cleanly. If all attempts fail, contact Apple support. Have your device serial number and purchase proof ready so they can assist with account verification and a safe reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.